Nice flow through here. Oh no. Oh, sweet. Oh, let me session that real quick. Yeah. Hold on. Is it this rock right here? All right. Sweet. Oh, shit. Whoa. Woo. No, I've never done that. That was awesome. Yeah. That's all. Yeah. There was one in Sedona and it looked easy. But once you started going down it, you realize, oh my God, this is crazy.
There's one in Fruta in the Cocopelli area.
Okay, is it like that?
Oh,
steep?
I would never do it.
But just let it roll, you know? So the trick is at the bottom, you're supposed to push.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, push out.
Yeah.
Keep your weight back.
Yeah. Oh, man. Man, you're a good rider. Awesome. Wow. That was awesome. That's the fastest I've ever gone down that. I know I set a new PR on that.